Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school. Hey everyone, today I will show you how to install Guest Edition in your Windows 11 VirtualBox for smoother and more powerful virtual machine experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open VirtualBox and start your Windows 11 virtual machine. Step 2. Once your VM is running, go to the device menu and select Insert Guest Edition CD image. Device. Insert Guest Edition CD image. Step 3. Open File Explorer and navigate to the Guest Edition CD and run the installation. Follow the on-screen instruction. Right-click, File Explorer, CD, VirtualBox Edition. Yes. Next. Next. Install. After the installation is complete, reboot your virtual machine to apply the changes. This will enhance your VM with features like seamless mouse integration and better screen resolution. Reboot. Finish. Step 4. Adjust your setting for the best graphic and enable shared clipboard and drag drop folder features. Open VirtualBox, Windows 11, Setting, General, Advanced, Shared, Clipboard, last one, drag and drop, last one, Display, Screen, Enable 3D acceleration, maximum memory. Shared folder, add, folder path, other, PC, C, new folder, rename it to Windows 11 LTSC chair, select folder, auto mount, OK. User interface, scaled, OK. Step 5. Test the shared clipboard and drag drop folder features. Start. New text, open, write share test 1, copy, a new text in Windows, paste, share test 1, successful. Write share test 2, copy, paste to VirtualBox. The paste successful. Close, save, close, save. New folder, close, drag, finish. Drag the file. The drag is successful inside VirtualBox. New folder, drag, right click, File Explorer, this PC, Windows 11 chair, drag the folder, this PC. C. Windows 11 NTSC share. The file is copied successfully. Finally, enjoy the enhanced functionality of your Windows 11 VM with Guest Edition. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorials, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.